Hey, welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today, I'm going to change the light bulb in my oven. Now, I'm talking kind of quiet because I have people in the house that work third shift and they're all sleeping, but I do want to get this job done. Okay, this is being done on a Dora gas stove. You can see the light fixture is in the back right there. Now, there's a few ways these are in, as far as like secured in place. You can see there's a glass dome on there, and mine is held in with like a spring steel bracket. Some are actually put in, they have a ring that goes around that dome, and there's a couple screws. All right, so for some reason my light's not working, but I think hopefully you can see. There is a, come back here like this. There's this little spring. You can see the corner of it right here. Pull that off to the side like that. And then you can just take this dome right off. And there is your light bulb exposed. Go ahead and unscrew this one. Bring that out here with the dome, because we might as well clean the dome since it's out. And then put the new one back in. Okay, so we cleaned it up here, so it's definitely a lot better than it was. There's the old bulb, and here is the new one. And I'll put a link for these bulbs in the description. These are just appliance bulbs. Almost exact same thing, but they're fairly universal. Let's see if I can show the box on this so you can see what it is. So this is the one I have here. Just a 40-watt clear bulb by Satco, I guess. You know, just read your owner's manual of your equipment to make sure you get the right bulb for you. But that's what we're gonna go ahead and put back in. So now it's gonna take the new bulb and reverse this process. It's really not much to it, honestly. As you can see now, some stoves are different. Let's go ahead, and this should come on. So I get the door open. There we go. Look at that. Now we'll go ahead and gotta clean my oven again. Put that dome back on there like that. Now you can see this bracket here. It's going to go over that dome. There we go. And then that just locks in place like that. So there you have it. Like I said, every stove could be a little different, but pretty universal. And like I said, I'll put a link for these in the description. Just pop your old one out, put a new one in, and we can test the switch here too. If I push the switch, it goes out. And there we go. Now we have light back in our oven. So, all right. There you have it. If you need to replace the bulb in your oven or appliance, I hope this video helps you out. Again, read the instructions and your manual of your particular appliance, so you can make sure you get the right one that fits yours. This is an Adora, A-D-O-R-A, and it's a propane stove. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, comment, come back often for more videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.